Hello, today is day 15 and the topic is dreams, which I think is very fitting for today. And now, a dream I think is defined as a strong, ideal, desired, or purpose. A desire or strong desire or purpose. And I figure a dream is just slightly above a goal, right? Because I figure a goal is obtainable. A goal you can work towards, little by little, and you'll get there eventually. But a dream is something that is so idealized that it sits just above and out of reach, right? If you were to get everything you wanted, I think that would be a dream. Because most times in life you get some of what you want, most of what you want, kind of, sort of. It can be like a strange, nebulous thing. But a dream is higher than just a goal. Now, for me, I think my dream is to make 10 books, 10 visual, like picture books or graphic novels. I don't know why that number, but it feels like it's obtainable, but it's just outside of my comfort zone, right? That 10. And I have one, maybe two. I'd like to go hard into that. Another dream would be to, have my financial and my art life just like perfectly in balance, and then going, forward with that. Because there are some things that are just slightly askew, and if you're like, get those in line and then just move those forward, I think that would be great. So that's a dream. And for YouTube, my dream is I would like to, teach people or just help in general, because if I had, this stuff was, YouTube was slightly before my struggles as a young artist / business person. And if I had some of the knowledge, or somebody could show you and tell you in a video about, how certain things go, or how to get towards the optimal outcomes, I think that would have helped immensely. If I had known then what I know now, my life would have been just a lot, maybe more advanced, or you got to go through it. Yeah, that's part of a dream for YouTube. But also, video is audio and visuals together, and a long time I wanted to be an animator. So I think combining those two things with my art, so having maybe stories that I could narrate, or stories where I could do the voices. I might even try to get my family into doing voices for some characters, but that's, a dream. That's something that's just slightly out there. Right? Gotta go get it. Gotta go get it. So, that's dreams. I hope you have dreams. But also, a dream, you have to work towards it. Right? You have to take action. You have to move towards your dreams. Because just having it is great, but moving towards it is even better. So, day 15, dreams. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.